Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 10 to 16, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. So let's see, Cancer, what's coming to you this week. June 10 to 16, overall energy ng mga Cancer. You have the Six of Swords. You are moving on. Parang meron ka na rin iniiwasan dito, no? Kung na-involve ka sa isang problema, issue, conflict with someone, may pag-aaway, I feel like ngayon, gusto mo na lang ng katahimikan ng isip. Gusto mong umiwas sa gulo. Gusto mo nang umiwas sa conflict na to. Yung iba naman, pwedeng merong may paglipat ng trabaho, paglipat ng department, paglipat ng lugar na tinitirahan ninyo, para kasing meron kayong iniiwasan na. Let's see your possible challenge. You have the King of Swords. I think, sa ngayon, mahirap para sa'yo na maging logical sa situation. You may feel a bit emotional at this time. Kumbaga, sinusunod mo ngayon yung emotion mo. Sinusunod mo ngayon kung ano yung sa tingin mo that will be best for your situation. Kahit na may mga taong nag-a-advise sa'yo na, tiis ka muna. Dito ka muna, huwag ka muna umalis, ganyan. But, I feel like, iniisip mo rin yung sarili mong peace of mind. Your opportunity, wow, the World card. You have the opportunity to end a cycle in your life na, you are ending it because sa tingin mo tapos na. Oo. Ito yung sinasabi na quit when you're, quit when you're done, not when you're tired. Parang ganun. So, magka-quit ka lang kapag tapos ka na. Hindi dahil pagod ka lang. Okay? Kasi yung pagod, pwede mo ipahinga yan. Pero pag na-realize mo na, okay, ito na yon, ito yung sukdulan, tapos na, tama na. That's it. Okay? So, you have the opportunity to end a cycle in your life or to end a chapter in your life, to embrace a new beginning. Some of you may opportunity rin kayo to travel abroad or to connect with someone abroad romantically. Okay? Let's see what else. Parang bagong buhay itong nakikita ko na to for you. Na meron kang iniiwasan, umaalis ka sa situation na magulo, mahirap man sa'yo na gawin yan dahil may mga taong pumipigil sa'yo na umalis. But, you choose to end that cycle kasi gusto mo ng peace of mind at gusto mo ng bagong experience. Your blessing, oh my God, speaking of new experience, you are changing your destiny for the better. Okay? You have the Wheel of Fortune. Kung mapapansin mo, ito medyo ang lamlam ng colors, and then you are moving towards a colorful situation. No? Mas makulay ang buhay. So, you may also receive a certain amount of money, pera na pwede mong gamitin to start all over again. You are changing your direction. May iba ka nang gustong tahakin ngayon. So, iba, may iwanang relationship, situation, career, business, na you feel na you've had enough, no? Yung kumbaga, napagod ka na at sa tingin mo tapos na. Oo, iba na ngayon. What is the Six of Swords? The Seven of Swords, oh my God. Pwede kasing naka-experience kayo ng betrayal, cheating, lying. Alam mo yung tipong ayaw mo nang magkagulo, ayaw mo na ng gulo. Oo. So, iiwas ka na lang. At least alam mo na kung ano yung makakabuti sa'yo, alam mo yung hindi. Meron trust issues dito, betrayal. What is the King of Swords? Page of Pentacles. So, as a challenge for you, challenge ka nito na magsimula muli, no? To explore your other potentials. Yung potentials mo sa ibang lugar, sa ibang sitwasyon. To be more proactive in improving yourself. Mm-mm. What is the world? King of Wands. Oh my God. It's time for you to explore your possibilities. Explore the possibilities. Explore your potentials. Yes, travel opportunities. Alam mo yung tipong malaya ka, no? There's so much freedom in you na dahil malaya ka, mas marami kang pwedeng subukan, ma-explore, di ba? Walang restriction. What is the Wheel of Fortune? The Moon. Gaya ng nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, you are, yung guide nyo ngayon is your emotions. Mas pinipili nyo ngayon na uh, to be guided by your instinct, your sensitivity, your intuition, because the moon is also related to your emotions, your feelings. Kumbaga, yung gut feel mo, yan yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng blessing. In which direction to take. Mm-mm. At ang blessing mo rin ngayon, yung ano mo, yung instinct mo. Sobrang lakas na alam mo kung kailan, kumbaga, you know kung kailan yung tama na, tapos na, palitan na. Okay? So, energy ng iyong money, career, finances. I feel like you are really breaking free. Ang lakas, dalawa na naman yung moon dito. You're breaking free from that limitations. Kasi pwedeng may nagsabi sa'yo na, hanggang dyan ka lang, yan lang yung kaya mong gawin. And for so long, pinaniwalaan mo yun. But, look at that. Oh my God. Cancer. This is transformation. You are transforming your life right now. You are ending a situation sa trabaho mo, career, or business na you feel so limited. Okay? And you are trusting your gut feel, your emotions, your sensitivity, your intuition to start something new. Alam mo sa sarili mo na that's it, tapos na. Kung very toxic yung trabaho mo, career, or business mo, or kahit na tipong wala kang work, no? Wala kang trabaho, tapos ikaw ay, syempre kapag meron kang inaasahan na tao pagdating sa pera, mas kontrolado ka nila, di ba? And you feel restricted. Let's say umaasa ka sa asawa mo, sa parents mo, and meron silang power over you para kontrolin ka nila. But there are times na meron kang gustong i-explore sa buhay mo na hindi mo magawa na eh. Dahil parang feeling mo, nakadepende sa kanila yung kilos mo. So ngayon, you are breaking free. Oh my God. Cancer. Ten of Pentacles. Ikaw yung gusto mong magkaroon ng sarili mong resources. Okay? So for you, if you are living a career, business, or situation that you feel restricted sa abundance mo, yes, you are choosing to be more productive. Oh my God, you have the Star. Pinipili mo ngayon yung passion mo, yung pangarap mo sa buhay. And I think you're going to be more successful. Okay? Yes. Just believe in yourself. Yung Star ang iyong guide. Let's see your love life. You have the King of Wands, the Four of Wands, and the Three of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, masaya kayo sa relationship mo. You are, parang ang connection mo with this person, para kayong magkaibigan, tropa, barkada, and at the same time, you are lovers. Okay? Oo. Parang you are, some of you, wala pa kayong anak, no? Kahit may asawa na kayo, mag-asawa na kayo. You choose to be, alam mo yung choice nila na wala silang anak kasi gusto nilang ma-explore pa yung relationship. Yeah, you also have the Strength card. If you are single, okay, I feel like you will enjoy your relationships, your connections with your friends. And pwede ring meron ditong ma-develop na romantic connection within your friend group. So yung kaibigan mo, mas madalas mo siyang makasama, o maaring ma-develop kayo into something romantic. Go the distance. Oh my God, tinan mo. Cancer, you are really reaching new heights, no? Mas matataas na mga goals sa buhay. You are stepping into your power. You are leaving your comfort zone to explore. Oh my God, serendipity. Tinan mo, four-leaf clover is a good luck. You are ascending. May pag-unlad, pag-angat. Wow. Congratulations. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong ka-deal or makaka-deal na older man. This can be your parent or, you know, romantic partner. Oh my God, you are stepping into a new experience. See? That makes sense with go the distance. Nakakaloka. Disappointment in a friend or lover. Okay, some of you, ito yung maaring situation nyo ngayon na na-disappoint kayo and you feel like you want your power back. You want your freedom back. Okay? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye.